Hey, I'm Greg Jones.
Orlando Cepeda.
Today what we're doing is we're building an artificial beaver dam. This is our second one we've been working on. We're trying to build probably a set of 4. We're trying to bring the meadows back to the beauty that it once was. And so essentially what we've done yesterday, we started doing this one yesterday. We gave it a nice base layer of rocks just to make it as a beaver would do. We made a nice layer of rocks here, and it keeps the salamanders a place to live and also the water snails. And just from doing this yesterday, we've already had the water come up about maybe 2 inches. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this one up. We have a base layer of silt, or not silt, but more of topsoil that we collected from the river. We're gonna lay that down on top of our rocks here and continue building it up. But once we finish this, I would give it about a year or so, and the meadows will be as beautiful as they were probably 100 years ago. So also what the water coming up will do is we have a large number of this invasive stiltgrass here. And so what we want to do with this is it's almost impossible for us to get all this up because each strand that we pull up is just one piece of stiltgrass. You would think that it'd be multiple as you pulled it up, but it's literally just one. So every time you pull them up, it's just one piece. So our objective with covering it up or getting it covered up will be flooding it out. So, and also once we do that, it'll bring back in cranes, ducks, a lot of waterfowl that we once had here, and also maybe more beavers.
Yeah.
And also once we do this as well, we plan to get the water up and plant willow trees, berry trees, also different types of nut trees like walnut, chestnut, ones that thrived here a long time ago. And so that's our plan today. So we're gonna start out by throwing down a good bit of these branches, and then we'll stack it back up strategically to make it look just like a beaver did. And the only thing we did differently was not use our teeth, we used a chainsaw. So here we are. And also one thing that I love about the beaver represents wisdom. So the beavers, they know how to make the ecosystem come back alive. So building these dams is a perfect thing to help bring this meadow back to the true life that it is. Over here we have a southeastern water snake that just popped out of our dam.
Really?
Yeah. He's right over there. Over there behind that rock. We'll just work around him.
Oh, this one right here in the corner?
Yeah. The scariest thing about it, the most jumpy about it, is that the southeastern water snake looks just like a water moccasin if you're not careful.
Did you see the head?
Yeah.
Okay.
A cool thing that I learned as a kid is that most poisonous snakes swim on top of the water. And if it swims underneath the water, then it's not poisonous.